G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted, the white that you're seeing there's light reflecting. Okay, I've just gone in a bits. Pretty little red stone there on the top. Something like this just needs to be shaped up a little bit, polish the face the way it is. There is a very light bar there. It's probably not coming up on the camera. Oh yeah, yes, you can see red showing. Whether that goes anywhere, who knows. This you could cut that off, grind down and end up with a little stone. Another piece on the bottom. This needs to be ground down. Somebody's cut it like they're gonna try to split it, but that's a mistake. Grind down to that level, see what colour you've got, if any. There's a bit of couple of specks of green and gold up here, red. So that might turn into something. It's a gamble piece. Seam here. Doesn't look like a lot of colour there. This one's a bit more promising. Pinks. And another little seam there. Bit of green and red up the top here. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.